Hello shiny happy people and welcome to Nova Scents. I am Nora, and first of all I want to thank all my subscribers and all the people who support this channel. I just want to tell you that I appreciate it and it means a lot to me, so thank you very much. This time I am going to talk about Mancera Cedrat Boisé. I am reviewing this based on this sample that I bought from Notino. Regarding the name, I want to mention that Cedrat means citron, which is a citrus fruit, and boisé is French for woody. Cedrat does not refer to cedar, even though cedar is a listed note in this fragrance. Cedrat boisé comes as an eau de parfum concentration, and the nose behind it is Pierre Montal. Let's talk a little bit about the smell. We have notes of Sicilian lemon, blackcurrant, bergamot, and spicy notes at the top, fruity notes, patchouli leaf, water jasmine in the middle, cedar, leather, sandalwood, vanilla, moss, and white musk at the base. The opening of this fragrance is so juicy. It is like a spicy mix of fruit juices. I mostly get blackcurrant and a little bit of sweetness. I was a bit conflicted when I first smelled it. I didn't know whether I like it or not, but I wore it a few times and I kept craving it, so I guess we can say that it grew on me. As it dries down, it gets woodsy because of the cedar note and becomes a little heavier and leathery. Don't let the patchouli scare you because it is very toned down in this scent. So this is a fragrance with a fruity, fresh opening and a fruity, woodsy and just a little bit leathery base. To my nose, it has a delicate sweetness to it. I've heard so many women say something along the lines of, there are some men's fragrances that I love and I would wear them myself, but I can't walk around wearing men's fragrances. Well, yes you can. It is legal. But this is not what I am getting at. Go unisex. If you ever thought like that, this fragrance is for you, because this is a fruity, fresh and woodsy fragrance which leans masculine, but I think it could be worn without any issues by a woman. This might be one of those slightly masculine fragrances that a woman can wear. What I love about Cedrat Boisé is that it is so versatile. It is one of the most versatile fragrances I've ever tested. It can be worn in any season. It might not perform very well in winter, but I had no issues with it. It can be worn by both men and women, I would say of all ages. I would mostly wear it in casual situation and at the office. Cedrat Boisé is a compliment getter, if that's what floats your boat. I got some, but mostly from myself because I can't be around too many people these days. The longevity is good. It lasts for about 8 hours on my skin. The projection is very good in the first 3 to 4 hours. I think it's best to try it before you buy it because the smell might not be for everyone, even if it is pleasant, inoffensive, and I would say mass-pleasing. This is my opinion about Mancera Cedrat Boisé. Mancera is a house that has many offerings, so please tell me which one should I try next. I thank you very much for your attention, and as always, I wish you all the best.